Alright guys, so you see the gutters right here. Getting these gutters. See those gutters? We're gonna get those nice and clean. Get those nice and clean for this customer. Alright. Get them gutters. I know y'all see that stuff. Come look at this window too. This is stuff that we're gonna be eliminating. This is stuff you wanna be eliminating as you're coming and pressure washing all this stuff. Alrighty, so we're gonna hit it with some SH and pressure wash it off. Stay tuned. All right guys, so we just finished up the house wash and the gutter cleaning. I'm gonna show you guys the before and after on that, and it took us about an hour and a half. Total ticket price $450, which is a nice discount for these people because the house wash alone probably 300 and gutters another 200, so about 500, and gave them a little discount. Don't be afraid to give discounts for you to earn more business, or Google review or anything like that to help you out gain more business. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out these before and afters. See that window? That is all gone. All that mold and algae gone. That's what we're talking about. Check out those gutters, nice and clean. Nice clean house wash. Nice and clean. That's what I'm talking about. Appreciate everybody coming out, checking out the video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. If not, hit that subscribe button. I still would definitely appreciate it. Everybody stay tuned. Washpreneurs out.